Yes, that's always a good thing. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos. And I'm at Mother's house. And I'm making a few more videos. I've got some other things to do for her inside the house. So keep watching my channel. And you'll see what I'm up to. Welcome to my laboratory. Hey, I'm at Mother's house and I need to work on this screen door here and show you how to fix a sticking deadbolt. Now, does she come out of her front door that much? Most people go out of the back door into the garage and out that way. Why on earth does she use this front door every day? I mean, she's 86 years old. Come on. Does she really need to come out here? Well, the reason why is so that she can get to this. Look at this. This is her mail. This is where her mailman drops her mail off every morning from now on. She doesn't have to walk down the street and find out where the mailbox is over there. And there's quite a few over there in that mailbox there. Everybody on the street down here, they have to walk up here to the mail and get it out of that. Mother doesn't have to do that anymore. She doesn't have to walk down her steep driveway or anything like that. She just come here. Now, how on earth was she able to do that? Well, you got to get a doctor's note, and then she had to go to her local city. The department where the mail was or whatever, and then she had to drop the note off, and then they had to make arrangements. And we got this at the Home Depot, and I screwed it on here. They put the mail in right there. She's got a key. She puts it on the back side of her door. Here, see here. She puts it on a key like that on the holder. She leaves it there, and then she has a big old magnet like that. She puts her mail on there, and she sets it right like that. The mail guy comes, takes the Post-its. He's got a key, she's got a key for that, or no, he doesn't need a key. He just puts it in here like that, and then she opens it up. She takes this inside, and that's how she does it. That's why she uses this door every single day. And speaking of that, you know, she's got to go up through this, and she was having a hard time on her feet and stuff, so I installed her a little grab bar right there by the door. So now when she goes out, she hangs on to that and kind of does this, gets her mail, puts her hand in here this way or this way, and comes back in, or this way. Comes back in. Hey, you can do all kinds of stuff like that for your mother or for anybody who needs the help. Okay? But that's not okay, so there you go. There's some different ideas for you. And now she doesn't have to go down there, and the mail guy does that. He doesn't do that for everybody, only the people who know the complete process. That's why she comes out here. That's why I've got to fix this. I'm going to do that on a different video. Okay? But I just wanted to show you that, as it might help you out. That's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos. And the very next video I'm going to make is how to clean up this deadbolt, how to make it run nice and smooth so it's not sticky and sticking. Okay, I'm here for the next couple days. I want to help Mother out and make that go a little bit easier. She, you know, just that. For most people, average people, it's fine. But for somebody who's starting to get a little shaky and a little bit harder to turn with their wrists and all that kind of stuff, you want to fix stuff like that, especially at your front door and the back door going out and all that. This one's still working okay, but hey, that's for another time. So I hope you continue to watch my videos.